Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021. This is a 2022 range from Pilote, a company which has just introduced a new logo, which I think is quite dynamic. It may look a bit like an airline one, but with a name like Pilote, why not? P696 Expression motorhome. It looks really odd. This thing here is going to cost €76,500. It's in the 7-meter class. And it's got 626 kilos of payload, and it's got a rear lounge. Because often I get these questions. They say, Tosha, they say, how about a motorhome with a rear lounge? And I say, I'm not Tosha. Tosha's the one with 4 legs, and 2 of which are dodgy. Right, that's a private joke. So there's the rear lounge, absolutely enormous. Comes with a bed in the roof, comes with a kitchen, it comes with a step and a rather dodgy looking finish. It comes with an enormous toilet, enormous, and it comes with a door. It looks as though I installed it, with a hole in it, and if you push that over there, you've got 2 seats up front. Actually, this doesn't really look like a company like Pilote built it. It does look as though somebody at home actually thought of it, but actually I don't mean that in a negative way. I think it's rather innovative. People want rear lounges. They ask me for rear lounges. Rear lounges on this YouTube site are the most popular type of videos, I think. I mean, it's not exactly a particularly good way of judging what the demand is for in the motorhome world. But anyway, that's it is. It does look, though, from the style, it looks very sort of rough and ready. And maybe that's the sort of style you want. Anyway, another thing is it's wide, 230 centimeters in width, and it's as though it could have been made narrower. Having said all that, let's start off here. We've got a, what do you think of this? You've got up front here this dressing room. Now I'm into dressing rooms. Don't know why, because I probably wouldn't use it, but I'm into dressing rooms. And let's open this so you can see, you can keep your huge amount of space there in that wardrobe. Here you've got more space for some t-shirts and things, and down here is a great place for keeping your battery and your electronics. Just look, there is, however, there quite a lot of space as well. I think you'd probably extend your battery in there, actually. Maybe, don't know. I mean, if you came to it, you could put a battery in there, I suppose. Anyway, it's in a warm place. You got heating down there. Very big shower. You can see how big it is, but just to make the point, I'm going to stand on it. Stand in it. There you are. There's me in the mirror. And here, look at this. Look at that. Alright, oh, let's put it here. Oh, sorry, well, the skylight's actually open, but here you've got all that. So, toilet there. You can contemplate the shower. Pretty good, I think. I think this actually, it's a very nice open. I just don't like the decor. So Lynn from Chicago will have to say, I'll pin her comment, and unless I make a mistake, which I'll have to pin my comment, but I'll pin her comment once it's up about what the decor's like, because to me it doesn't look good. That's the only thing. I think it's a pity, really, because I would have thought the decor was one of the easiest things to do. I would have thought. Maybe I'm wrong. Storage there as well. This is, as some companies in Germany call it, a storage wonder. There you go. And you've even got a place to hang your towel on. Right, so that's part 2. So part 1's the driving bit in through there. Part 2 is the washing and dressing bit of the toilet, and part 3 is the living bit. Now I'm sure there's a bigger story to all of this than you're gonna get out of this video. Possibly. There may not be, but there could be. The more I look at it, the more I think this is just too wide. But anyway, let's come down here. We'll examine this exciting looking table. Enormous table there. And this lounge. I mean, it's as though this has been sort of designed for sort of weddings or bar mitzvahs or something. It's absolutely enormous. Look at that. I mean, the bed's up there, but I'm lost for words. You can admire. You can sit down here. You can look out the window via this. If you get rid of the curtain, that is. And you can look at the rain pouring down outside. Now, wouldn't that be hours of fun for all the family? Just a pity the decor's so dodgy. You know, I could sort of this wouldn't suit me, but often I see vans like, oh, I'd like to take that out for a couple of weeks, and this is the sort of thing I would like to take out for a couple of weeks. You know, there's plenty of space for a dog to lie down. Wouldn't have to lie between the chairs up front, for example. Yeah, nice. So, right. Anyway, let's come over to the kitchen. Now, the big thing these days is 2 burners in a van. You certainly wouldn't want to have any more than 2 burners in your van in 2022. If you've got 3 burners in your van, rip them out now before anybody sees them. I'll rip one of them out because you're going to have 2 anyway. 2 burners is the fashion these days. Here we have, what's that? It's a drawer. What's that? It's another drawer. Oh, look at that, it closed by itself. No, it didn't. It closed by the force of inertia. How does this open? Any ideas? Or does it? Oh, it does. Right. Okay. Big fat fridge. Space up here. For and some of their models, I keep the television stuff up there. But as you can see in this one, the television is there. Got a seat here. What's the point of that? No idea. I bet there is a point to it. I just don't know what it is. And yeah, and you've got some storage down here. Now, the bed's up there. The bed will drop down. How far will the bed drop down? The bed will drop down as far. I'm looking for the runner. No, the bed will drop down to roughly this position here. You might have to get rid of some of the stuff like this here. I bet there's a belt, probably a belted position at these 2. Possibly anyway. So the bed will drop down about here. I can't show the bed dropping down because it takes a key. And without the key, there is no way of actually showing you how it works. But I might get a key and do a video at a later date. And then you can see it how the thing actually comes down. But I have actually shown it in other videos how the thing comes down. Now, one of the things with Pilote vans is it's often difficult to find where do you press the button to get the key to drop down. Well, it's not there. You think it'd be beside it somewhere. Not there, not there, not there. There's some companies that put it in here. In this. Sort of hidden. This is actually, that doesn't open, I think. If it does, I don't open it. Or it could be there. Or it could be here. This is also a popular place. There's some people that put it up there. But Pilote does none of those things. It hides it somewhere. In this case, it's up here. That's where the bed goes. Now, if you sort of got your hand on this here, pressing this down, you can sort of see it's not such a bad idea. That I think that's quite a good place. It's sort of comfortable to press the bed down. Anyway, I did have a key yesterday. You know, I was walking around here last night. I had the key. I did a couple of bed drop downs. I just got so tired I had to go back. I couldn't continue, which was a pity because everything was out. Right, okay, so write down your opinion of that below. I shall now move out of this van and let the crowds in. And right, storage here, which is under the chairs. There you go. Outdoor shower. Space under the thing down there with a light in it. That's an external light for somebody else's light. I hope there is a light though for the camper van. You've got a space there for a bike rack. More external storage. Normally you sort of think of the battery going somewhere like that, but as we saw, there was a battery inside. Can I open it? No, I can't. It's locked. There you have it. Right, rear lounge, 7-meter class motorhome with a separate changing room. Very unusual layout. Thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. Lots more from wherever I am now. Dusseldorf Caravan Salon. It's 2021. Today's the last day of August, 31st of August 2021. Oh, I don't like September. It gets cold. And you've got to go back to school. Only this year I don't have to go back to school. Ah, that's good. Things aren't as bad as I thought.